Okay, number 8. We are no longer on the TI inspired part of the test. This is the one where you will do these operations by hand. So again, AB, that's a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 3 matrix. That is doable. My answer will be a 2 by 3 matrix. So I'm going to have 2 rows and 3 columns. So 1 row, so it's going to look like this. 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's what my solution matrix will look like. So I need to figure out what's the first row with the first column. I'm going to use some extra space over here. So that's 3 times negative 1 plus 2 times 0. First row with the second column, that's going to be 3 times 2 plus 2 times 3. And then first row with the third column, that's 3 times negative 1 plus 2 times negative 2. Okay, that's the first row. And now if I go to the second row, so I'll have second row first column, that's 19 times negative 1 plus 13 times 0, and then 19 times 2 plus 19 times 3, and then 19 times negative 1 plus 13 times negative 2. And if I go back here, I think I made a mistake in that second one right here. So this is 19 plus 2 and 13 times 3. So that should be it. So now it's just a matter of not making any arithmetic mistakes. So 3 times negative 1, that's going to be a negative 3. And then I've got 6 plus 6, that's 12. And then I've got negative 3 plus negative 4, that's negative 7. Negative 19 plus 0, that's negative 19. And then I've got 38 plus 39, so 38 plus 39, that's 77. And then I've got negative 9 plus negative 26, so negative 9, negative 26 is negative 35. So I think that's correct and I didn't make mistakes, but you'll let me know if I did. So that's problem number 8.